To cut the fabric, I measured 20 inches length on fold and 10 inches width, like this. So when I open it, I'll have 40 inches in length and 10 inches width. But if you want something smaller, you can make it 6 inches wide and 20 inches long on fold. Please take note. Remember, this fabric should be on fold. The next thing I did was to cut it out. For this tutorial, I'm making use of 10 inches because I wanted something big. Next, I measured 4 inches by 15 inches. This time, it won't be on fold. This will serve as the lining. I mistakenly cut it on fold, which I later reduced off camera. So please, when cutting your own, it should not be on fold, please. The next thing I cut out was the elastic, using the measurement of 3 inches width and 15 inches length. So like the lining, it will not be on fold. Then I cut it out. So I have 3 fabrics now. This is the measurement I used. So over to the sewing machine, I folded the fabric into 2 like this and sew with 0.5 inches all the way down. Remember, this one with 40 inches is the only one on fold. After sewing it, I turned the fabric inside out, just the way I'm doing, and arranged it very well. You see how it looks. Next, I folded the elastic casing and sewed it with 0.5 inches, the same way I sewed the main fabric. If you have a loop turner at this point, you are going to use your loop turner to turn the casing. So I used a loop turner to turn it inside out as well. Remember, I also turned the main fabric inside out. I'm doing it the same thing to the elastic casing. Next, I measured 7 inches of elastic. I'm using 1 inch elastic. Then I'm using my office pin to pass the elastic inside the elastic casing, just the way I'm doing. While passing the elastic, I sew it at the end of one opening to prevent it from disappearing into the elastic, just this way. Then I sew the other end to secure it. For the lining, I use office pin to pass it through the fabric like this, just the same way I pass the elastic inside the elastic casing, like this. So I also secure one end of the opening this way, so that it will not disappear into the main fabric. I hope you understand what I'm doing here. Please, if you understand, let me know in the comment section. Then after passing the lining through the other side, I will secure it as well, this way. We have formed our scrunchie. The next thing is to add the elastic to it. So you pay attention while I'm passing this elastic. This is where it gets tricky. Place the elastic to the fabric like this, right side facing each other. The wrong side is where it's obvious that it was sewn. Please take notes. Now let me explain what I did. This is the wrong side of the fabric and this is the right side. Have you seen it? Place the elastic at the center this way. Again, place the elastic in the middle, fold it once like this and fold it again, then sew with 0.5 inches. I hope this video is clear. I just hope. Our scrunchie is ready. This is very nice. Did you see how neat it looks? Wow. I'm sure you are going to try this. Let's see how it looks on the mannequin.
If you like this video, let me know in the comment below. And do well to come back to my channel for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.